beautiful olives, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm really excited. I got a parcel from Fenty Skin slash Fenty Beauty. They just launched the Fenty Skin range and I was dying to try it out, and I feel so lucky that they sent me a parcel. I've got heaps of makeup to try out. I'm so excited. I've been getting into makeup more these days. I've been following more TikTokers that do makeup and makeup Instagrammers, and a lot of them use Fenty foundation and Fenty cream blush and bronzer, so I've been dying to try these out. I'm a big fan of Rihanna. She is a queen. Let's get into the products. The skincare products we have is the Total Cleanser, the moisturizer, I believe. It doesn't have the name on this packaging. And then this fat water. I just had a shower, so I'm probably not going to cleanse. I feel like skincare is probably better for when I take the makeup off, but I just want to try out the moisturizer and this toner serum, I think. Is it a spray maybe? But yeah, I don't have any makeup on. I just washed my hair. It's still a bit damp, but I'm gonna clip it back. My skin's a bit oily and I have a pimple right in the middle of my eyebrows. So it's the Fenty Skin Fat Water Pore Refining Toner Serum. Oh, okay, I thought it was a spray, but it's not. I'm just going to use my hands and dip some in. I'm not sure if I've opened it right. It smells good. I've just got some on my hands. I'm just gonna wipe it on. I need a toner because my skin feels really oily. Again, I know that skincare is probably for after I take my makeup off, but I just wanted to try it out. That toner is really nice. It's not heavy. It smells really fresh, and it's very light and nice. I don't really have a toner serum. I have a toner liquid, a toner spray, so it's nice to have a serum. This moisturizer is interesting. It came as a two-part thing, and you have to like put this part that pops up inside this. I love the smell of this moisturizer. These have very light smells. They don't have a strong perfume. This one has SPF in it as well. I'm gonna put just a little bit. I love the smell. This feels really nice on the skin. Okay, toner and moisturizer done. I feel like the moisturizer is a bit oily for me, but I find that when I try out new products like serums and moisturizers, my skin takes a while to actually adjust to it, and then it gets used to it and it likes it. So yeah, I'll keep trying it out. It also may be because I know this is really bad, but I never use sunscreen on my face. I only learned recently that that's really important. I don't really think about sunscreen because I've been inside all year because of quarantine, which is really bad. But yeah, I definitely want to incorporate sunscreen into my skincare routine, so this is really good. Okay, we're gonna try the Pro Filter Instant Retouch Primer. This is what it looks like. Love this. It feels really nice and smooth. I just feel luxurious using Fenty. So they sent me the Pro Filter Matte Foundation and then the hydrating one. I think I'm going to try out the hydrating one today. I am planning to do a makeup video where I recreate a Rihanna look. This one right here. Let me know if you want to see that, but I will try the matte one for that one. I think today I'm just testing out everything, and I'm just going to do a basic makeup look. I have some content to shoot after this, so I'm going to just try out everything, and then once I get the hang of everything, I'll do another video where I'll do like green eyeshadow and just go full out glam. I got $290 in the hydrating one and then $300 in the matte one, so I'm hoping this shade will suit me. If you guys have this foundation, let me know your experience with it. I haven't watched any reviews on it. So yeah, this is just all this feedback that I'm giving you is from my first experience. And they sent me this Kabuki foundation brush, which I'm gonna use to blend out the foundation. It's 115 foundation brush. Just gonna put some on my hand, if it comes out. Okay, that was like 3 pumps. I usually use sponges to do foundation, so this is a bit different. Normally foundation doesn't really have a smell, but this one smells good. I think the shade is good, and I think it darkens a bit as it dries, so yeah, I think $290 is good for me. Depends how tanned I am. Okay, so 3 pumps covered this area, and I just need to do my forehead. It might be different if you use a sponge. but the actual pump applicator is quite small, like it's not very generous. I bumped my head on a shelf yesterday. I was reaching down to like get clothes off the floor and bumped my head right on like the ledge of a shelf. Ooh, it's sore. So if you can see a bump. Yeah, I have like a bump there. Ow, it is sore. I tried to ice it after and then I got lazy and stopped. Okay, so my face does look a bit white on camera, but I think in real life it does match my skin. Just the ring light is very white and it's making me look a bit more pale. Maybe the toner and the moisturizer was too much to put under this foundation because I do feel a bit like shiny and oily, but we'll fix that up. I think this foundation will suit me when I put it on like just clean, kind of dry skin. Okay, so I don't know if this shade looks really pale on camera, but oh my god, Siri thought I was talking to her. Go away, Siri! Okay, so I'm happy with this shade and I could go a bit darker, so I'm glad I got the other one in 300. I'm excited to try out the Pro Filter Concealer. This is in 290 as well. So smooth and buttery. How small are these sponges? These are from Fenty and I'm not sure what they're for, but I'm gonna use this little sponge for concealer. I don't know if this sponge is for concealer, but we're giving it a go. It's my new favorite concealer for sure. I did have high expectations for Fenty and they haven't let me down yet. We've got some options for contouring, blush and highlight. I thought the matchsticks were sold out, but I got the three little, they're like really cool, they're magnetic. I might use these today and then in my next video I can use these cream products. I'm going to be trying out I actually have the matchstick in Mocha for contour, but I'm going to be trying out this one that they sent me in Truffle, and then I think this is a highlighter, it's in Rum. So anyway, let's go in with Truffle. I think this is more of a warm contour compared to Mocha, which I bought myself. But yeah, I love this shade. I love a warm contour. Ow, 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 ow. The bump on my head. I feel like these matchsticks are super like light and buttery. They're not heavy, so you don't have to spend too much time blending. They kind of just dissolve into the skin, so it looks really natural as well. I'm going to try out this cream blush in Petal Poppin'. I actually bought this myself before I got this package in the strawberry dip color and I love that one, but I see a lot of Instagrammers and TikTokers use this shade, so I'm just using the little sponge that they gave me. This is super pigmented. I didn't have to dip my sponge in too much, but I do find that it kind of fades into the skin slightly, so you can put a lot if you really want your cheeks to be super bright and red. I'm just going to quickly do my eyebrows. I use the Benefit Goof Proof brow pencil most of the time. I don't know I think Fenty does a brow pencil, but I didn't get it in this parcel. I'm just going to put some Australis Fresh and Flawless powder on my chin because it's really shiny. On my chin and just along under all my contour and stuff. And then just between my eyebrows and the middle of my forehead. Let's try this matchstick in Champagne Heist for highlighter. I think this is like a bronzy color. It's very warm. It's really pretty. Love it. I'm going to avoid all that highlight, but I'm just putting a tiny bit of powder under my eyes. Also going to put some of that Champagne Heist on my brow bone. And inner corner. I'm just going to add a bit of bronze to my eyes. They gave me this blending brush in 210. This is the Revolution Nudes palette, and I'm just going to go in with the shade French Girls. This is just going to be a very basic look. I just wanted to test out everything. And then they gave me the brush 230 blending brush. I'm just going to use this Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector highlighter in Champagne Pop to highlight my eyes. Just on the lid. A bit on the brow bone as well. Just going back in with that nude shade. Just adding a bit more depth in the eyelids. For mascara, I'm going to use this Marc Jacobs one. I'm not sure what the name is, but it looks like that. I know this is a weird order, but I just thought I'd add a bit more bronzer just on my forehead and just, yeah, lightly around my face just to darken it up a bit. I'm using the Thrive Cosmetics in Rhea. What I've been doing lately, instead of using a black texture for winged liner, I've got this angled brush from Nude by Nature. That's what it looks like. And then I just use a dark brown eyeshadow and draw a liner with that. And I feel like that's a way more like subtle and more for everyday. I'm just going to put some lashes on. I've cut them in half and then I just put them on the ends of my eyes. I'm not sure what brand this is, I'm afraid they're kind of old. And now just lining my lips with the Australis pencil in Canoodle. On shoots, makeup artists have used this gloss a lot and say how good it is, so I'm so excited to have it in my hands. It's in the shade Fenty Glow. It's such a nice warm peachy shade, I love it. Let's set this face with the What It Dew spray. I actually bought this myself and I've been using it for the past maybe month. I love it so much, it's so fine. I think I talked about it on my monthly favorites for this month. It's so good. I'm just gonna put some brow gel. This is the L'Oreal Brow Artist Sculpt. Just very lightly. Okay, this is the finished look with mostly all Fenty products. I really do love the foundation. I think my skin was just too oily and had too many products to start off with. So next time I'm just going to cleanse my face, put a bit of primer and then put that hydrating foundation on because it was a bit much with the moisturizer, the toner and the primer. And I went a bit like crazy because it was the first time trying it and I was just like, yes. But yeah, other than that, I love all the products together. I love the blush. I only got into cream blush this year. Like I've always just used powder blush, and cream blush is just another level of like natural glowing vibes. I can't complain. I love everything. I love the lip gloss because you don't really have to put a lipstick under it. It's kind of got its own tinted color with it. But yeah, as I said, this is more of a basic look, and in my next Fenty video I'll go a bit more crazy with green eyeshadow and I'll try out the matte foundation because I haven't tried that out yet. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you use Fenty or if you're going to try it out. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!